Hey guys, so we're going to be unboxing BTS's B album. I want to keep these stickers, so I kind of want to try and tear it from this end. Yeah, if I can even tear it open. Here, let's just... There we go. Let's see if I can peel these stickers off the plastic and get them on the album. Maybe I should have tried to peel the stickers off while I was still on it. It might have been easier. Alright, sticker one. Of course we want the one that says they were nominated for a Grammy finally. There we go. There we go. Ta-da, ta-da. Alright. Oh, looks like it was open on both sides. Okay. So let's go through the other items before the photo book. So here we have our CD. I love these boards for the CDs. And then looks like a folded poster. If I can open it the right way. There we go. That looks so good. Aw, but they covered up Jungkook's tattoos. Oh, I can kind of see the coloring a little bit. And for the photo book, let's see what we got. The couch. I'm not sure which member's room I like the best, because they all have such like unique pieces. Oop. No surprise, I got Suga's card. So I believe we get one random and then we get a set, which I believe these are supposed to be slightly different than the other B albums ones. I'm still not surprised in the least. I got Min Yuki's. I want to kind of call him Min Suga because that's what I named my cat Suga. And that's his full name, Min Suga Askew. So it's so funny, but Min Yoongi. Jimin looks so good. I really like Jimin's room with all the flowers. Like I said, each room kind of has like an aspect that I'd want. I'm glad he's doing so much better after I believe he had surgery on his shoulder. But it was nice to see him back performing. I saw this funny TikTok about V, about how he can make any outfit look good. And they talked about putting some of those ugly outfits on him, and they're like, it looks amazing. It's just so true. Just a very handsome man. I like these. They feel kind of behind the scenes-y. Alright, our track list. Our things. Credits, and that's it. Oh, I can't wait to see BTS perform at the Grammys as well. And then I hope they win a Grammy. 100% deserve it. But cute, cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next one, bye guys.